Every city tells a story, some through monuments, others through centuries. San Miguel de Allende somehow tells both. Hidden in the highlands of central Mexico, this city has become one of the most admired destinations in the world, not because it is the biggest or the oldest, but because it never stopped being itself. There are beautiful cities all over the world. So why does San Miguel de Allende keep appearing among the world's favorite places to visit and even to live? The answer begins here. As the first light reaches the pink stone towers, the city slowly wakes. Shopkeepers prepare their stores, birds fill the gardens, coffee begins to brew, and the plazas become the heart of everyday life, just as they have for generations. From above, it's easy to admire the beauty of San Miguel de Allende, but its true character isn't found in its rooftops or its colorful streets. It's found in the people, the traditions, and the remarkable history that continues to shape everyday life. Although many people think this church is centuries old, its iconic neo-Gothic towers were designed in the late 19th century by a local stonemason inspired by European cathedrals. Today, they have become the unmistakable symbol of San Miguel de Allende. Beyond its famous architecture, San Miguel reveals another side of its character. Tree-lined plazas, colorful gardens, and peaceful parks weave nature into the fabric of everyday life. The Temple of San Francisco is impossible to overlook. Its richly ornamented facade is considered one of the finest examples of Baroque architecture in the region. Nearby, the elegant dome of the Temple of the Immaculate Conception rises above the treetops. Known locally as Las Monjas, it has become one of the city's most recognizable landmarks. The Temple of Nuestra Señora de la Salud, Our Lady of Health, is instantly recognizable by its extraordinary shell-shaped facade. Its remarkable design has made it one of San Miguel's most distinctive architectural landmarks. The city's cobblestone streets are part of its timeless character. Walking through them is less about reaching a destination and more about enjoying the journey itself. But San Miguel is remembered for far more than its beauty. It also played a defining role in Mexico's fight for independence. In 1810, Ignacio Allende, one of the leaders of the independence movement, was born here. Together with Miguel Hidalgo and other revolutionaries, he helped ignite the struggle that would ultimately transform the nation. Today, that proud history lives on, not only in monuments and museums, but in the very streets where it all began. Some places are remembered for their monuments, others for their history. San Miguel de Allende is remembered for the way it makes you feel. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and repeatedly voted one of the world's best cities by the readers of Travel Plus Leisure, its greatest distinction cannot be measured by awards alone. It is found in the warmth of its people, the rhythm of its streets, and the memories it leaves with everyone who walks them. Long after the bells have fallen silent and the streets begin to glow beneath the evening lights, San Miguel remains with you, not simply as a place you visited, but as a place you'll always want to return to.